Amidst the disaster that struck Dharali region in North Indian state of Uttarakhand, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has been at the forefront for the last 3 days, monitoring every activity. The Chief Minister is present at Ground Zero and has reviewed the situation, reaching out to the relief teams and giving directions to the teams, assuring that the affected families get the assistance from the government.
नगर था पूरा का पूरा आपदा की भेंट चढ़ गया और ऐसे अनेक रास्ते, अनेक पुल, यहाँ के भवन, होटल, होम स्टे, मकान जो भी थे सब जो है इस प्रलय में बिल्कुल समाप्त हो गए। लोग परेशान हैं, उन्होंने अपने किसी परिजनों को खोया है। मैं आया हूँ आज उनको भरोसा दिलाने के लिए कि जल्दी ही हम सभी व्यवस्थाओं को यहाँ पर व्यवस्थित करेंगे।
Earlier, Chief Minister Dhami on Friday morning held a high-level review meeting with DG, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, IDPP, DG, National Disaster Response Force, NDRF and DGP Uttarakhand Police, and took many important decisions related to the development of the state. Special emphasis was laid on quick restoration of communication, electricity and road connectivity and uninterrupted supply of relief material. The Chief Minister gave clear instructions that there should be no delay in reaching out to the affected people and the administrative machinery should work round the clock with full sensitivity. Meanwhile, the Indian Armed Forces are working tirelessly to provide food and relief material in areas affected by a tragic cloudburst incident in Dharali district. Overall, 566 people have been evacuated till noon on Friday. Braving harsh weather and rugged terrain, Indian Army teams are continuously engaged in restoring connectivity, evacuating residents and tourists, while providing medical support and delivering essential aid. Presence of senior military commanders has enabled seamless coordination with the State Disaster Response Force, IDBP, and local administration and civil authorities, ensuring swift and effective humanitarian assistance and disaster relief.
The present focus remains on getting the tourists out who were stuck at Gangotri. Approximately 400 tourists who were at Gangotri along with the residents have been pulled out from Gangotri and got to Harsal, and with the aid of the civil administration, the civil helicopters and the Indian Air Force, we've been able to pull out approximately 355 people from Harsal to Maithili, that is south of Uttarkashi, from where the Uttarakhand government is sending them down to Dehradun. We also moving medical supplies for which the Indian Army has deployed its resources, and all people who have been affected by this incident are being provided medical assistance and also being evacuated.
Road connectivity in the region is majorly affected by the landslides. NDRF teams along with SDRF are working continuously to restore a broken bridge by using ropes. The government vehicles are being used to move passengers to safer places. The State Disaster Response Force conducted aerial inspection of Harshil and Dharali disaster areas through drones. The expert team surveyed areas in inaccessible areas where ground access is extremely difficult due to the landslides and debris. The Indian Army is also using its helicopters to send relief material to Harshil from Chinya-Lisore. People are being sent safely to their destinations with the help of these helicopters. DD India's Dr. Kanchan Negi joins us from Dehradun on the story now. Kanchan, what's the current update on the rescue operations?
Well, 566 passengers have been evacuated from the disaster-affected areas in Dharali and Harsal, Uttarkashi, while the process of evacuating the remaining 300 people is still on. The rescue people are being brought to the helipads at Maithili and Chinya-Lisore in Uttarkashi, where all arrangements have been made to send them to their destination after first aid. 74 people have been rescued by the Army's Mi-17 and Chinook till 12 noon at the Chinya-Lisore airstrip, where the availability of all means of transport has been ensured. everyone is being sent safely to their respective destinations. And moreover, Uttarakhand DGP Deepam Seth has reached Uttarkashi to inspect the site of the incident and take stock of the rescue operations. After landing at Matli helipad, he left for Harsel after meeting the CM. And furthermore, I would like to say that the construction of the Valley Bridge on the Gangotri National Highway, blocked due to the collapse of the Limcha Guard Bridge near Ganganani, is progressing rapidly. He reviewed the rescue operations by holding a meeting with the police officers in Matli and gave necessary instructions to everyone to speed up the relief and rescue operations. And as you can see, the weather here is really, really bad. It was raining like cats and dogs. In the morning, the weather was pretty clear, but now you cannot trust the weather of Uttarakhand. At any moment, the weather can change. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Uttarakhand is seeing record rainfall there. Thank you very much, Dr. Kanchan Negi, for being with us and updating us on this story.
Thank you so much.